Some big news coming in as India battles COVID-19. Top appointments in Army Medical Corps stuck in bureaucratic red tape there. Sources have told us that files are pending in Ministry of Defence. Army now to seek Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's direction to clear bureaucratic red tape. Here, even as India battles coronavirus, top appointments in the Army Medical Corporation stuck in bureaucratic red tape. Now we understand that Army is now seeking Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's direction to clear this bureaucratic red tape. Gaurav Sawant to give us more details on this. Gaurav, we are looking at the Indian Army battling this crisis as much as the entire country. Top appointments in the Army Medical Corps has now been stuck in bureaucratic red tape. They have to go reach out to Rajnath Singh directly now to get his intervention on this.
Nabila, this is a cause for very serious concern. Top appointments in the Armed Forces Medical Service. And when we talk about top appointments, we're talking about a Major General's appointment, the person in charge for procurement, ADG procurement, and also MG, Major General in charge of medical in Northern Command. Northern Command is extremely sensitive. It handles India's borders, both with China and with Pakistan, the line of control and the line of actual control in the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and in Ladakh. And these crucial appointments have been hanging fire for months, 3 months in one case, 2 months in another case. And this is also impacting the entire chain of command and appointments. And these have been hanging fire for over 2 months, over 3 months in another instance. And the Army says we've reached out to the Ministry of Defence. The files are stuck. There's a lot of bureaucratic red. According to sources, some of the files are at the Defence Secretary's office, some elsewhere, and there's no clearance. So when India is battling coronavirus, you need all hands on the deck. You need everyone to be there. And every minute lost could well be the difference between life and death. The bureaucratic red tape continues and top appointments are not happening, Nabila.
Very tragic there, Gaurav. We do know that this is a time that movement needs to take place. They've got to coordinate, and if the top officers are not appointed, it's going to be hard for seamless cooperation and operation of this army altogether. Thank you, Gaurav. Let's hope this echoes with the government as well. Now that's a wrap on this bulletin. For further news and updates on coronavirus, log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the app. Please stay home and stay